we going to get universal health care in Vermont?
Yes!
Is it going to happen this year?
Yes!
Very good.
Hi, my name is Peg Franzen, and I am currently the president of the Vermont Workers Center. I've been involved as a volunteer at the Workers Center since, I would say, 2002, 2003. Our campaign is healthcare is a human right. Our message has always been simple. It should be healthcare is the fact that we're human should be there for everyone from cradle to grave. Is it universal? Will everybody be able to access it? Is it equitable? Is it a system that we all have equal access and not a tiered system based on what you can afford? Speaking that language takes it out of that polarization that happens because of complexities and details of, policymakers and, what will work and what won't. We just say it has to be there.
That it was an election year and it just wasn't going to happen. But it was because of our movement. It's because we stood together that we got what we did last year. So let's applaud ourselves. So where are we now?
Well, how did you do it when the rest of the country is going in the opposite direction? How were you able to get people involved? And actually also said people across ages. They were really impressed with the number of younger people that have been involved in our movement. And so we said, it's about what we believe in. It's about framework of human rights that people can relate to and that people want. They care about each other.
And have people really understand. Do we want corporations controlling our health care? No. Okay. So we're in it. All right.
And they're brainwashing us, thinking that we don't have the power. And so I think what we're saying we do, and we showed that we do by getting out and talking to people and building it, 2 or 3 people at a time. And then you get 2 or 3 other people and 2 and 3 other people. That's what we're doing. And this model can work everywhere. And we encourage people to begin to do that. It takes time, and it takes, organizing is about building relationships. It's about building trust. And it's about believing, in what you're doing. And we believe that, the human rights framework is what needs to happen in this country and around the world. People have to be treated with dignity and respect, and they have to have access to those basic services that would allow them to live a full life. And that's what the campaign has been as we have gone through. It's been amazing, the number of people that have stepped up and done this. And so we have a wonderful movement around the state. It is truly working together, really does make a difference.
We are not asking for help. We are not begging for charity. We are demanding democracy.
Our grassroots has grown, and that we do have it. That's what democracy looks like, right? That's what the voice of democracy is. It's about all of us stepping up and doing having our voices heard.
We have to be present. We have to keep organizing. We have to continue to build our movement because there is opposition to this. And there'll be a lot of opposition, not only in this state, from out of state, because Vermont is on the verge of doing something that no other state has done. And if we can do it, it will begin to lead the country and to lead other states.
But we are very excited that we're at this stage and that there's still a lot of work for us to stay involved and make sure it doesn't get sidetracked or a detour put up that will keep us from getting to our goal of making healthcare universal and accessible and affordable. So,
Parents and grandparents must have a united voice for the future of our children, so they can grow up in a world where human rights are respected and there's a safe, healthy planet to live on. Parents are saying enough is enough. Our kids deserve better.